In this Striven release video, we'll be overviewing some updates related to tasks. Some of these updates will include the ability to show or hide task numbers, task type descriptions, and the ability to include the customer location in tasks created from the customer portal. Our first topic in this video will discuss the new option to show or hide task numbers in Striven. By default, task numbers will be hidden, but there will be an option to make them visible based on user preference. For example, you can go to Task Settings on the task list to configure whether to display the task number as a display field option. Other areas of the system where this option is available include the dispatch screen and the project screen. On the project screen, it is applicable to both the milestone view and the project board view, but task numbers are not available in the Gantt chart view. This setting will also be available for the Task Custom Report Dashboard widget, which has also been updated to include the customer location. You'll find that some employees prefer seeing the task numbers, and some will prefer to keep them hidden in order to display a more simplified view of their tasks. Next, we'll discuss how Striven now has the added ability to display a task type description within a task. This is different from the task description and will display towards the top of the task. The task type description is not an editable field on the task. The task type description will automatically change based on which task type is selected when creating a task, so each description can be task type specific. Please note, the task type description is visible when an employee views or edits a task of that type, but will not appear in the customer vendor portal. Finally, in this task update video, we'll review the added ability for customer contacts to select a location when creating a task from the customer portal. Depending on the task type, if the customer location is included in the settings, as well as if it's marked as required, this will carry over when creating a task from the portal. By default, the customer location field will auto-populate with the default location associated with the user logged into the portal creating the task. If no default location is associated, the user can select the location from the available locations listed for the customer from the drop-down list. All of these convenient and practical updates to tasks are designed to make work easier for our users. Customizations like these help make working with tasks effortless and more manageable with Striven.